Hello, lovelies, and welcome to Truly Tarot. We're here, we do reviews and unboxings. And today I have Ipsy or Boxy or Ipsy. I mean, it says Ipsy, but it's the Boxy. So this is all very confusing and agitating, and I wish that they would get it figured out. I truly do. Um, okay, so uh, we have made it to over 60. I'm super, super stoked. So if you want to find out what we're going to do for the giveaway, wait till the end. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I love that, a couple of you guys, the new people, you guys have been commenting, and I very much appreciate that. I love to have these conversations, especially all the things that have been going on with Truly and Ipsy. It's just all, I don't know. It seems like there's so much drama. So, but I still, I love this stuff, and I hope to be around, for a long time doing this. Even if I stay at, 65 or whatever it is, like, I don't care. Like, I like talking to you guys. So, all right. So let's unbox this Ipsy or Boxy or whatever it is, because it still says Ipsy. Figure it out. Figure it out. Because I mean, I'm gonna tell you now, I'm happy because I did my picks literally like last week, and I already have my box, so that's pretty amazing. But my picks were horrific. They were horrible. So and I don't know. They send the little cards, and they mean absolutely nothing. Uh, uh, Get to know your Boxycharm picks, valued up to $200. Log on to Ipsy.com or Ipsy app. See, it's all still Ipsy. So this whole Boxy thing, like, I'm glad I'm not paying for all the boxes, you know what I mean? But just call it what it is. Stop calling it Boxycharm. It's Ipsy. Figure it out. Okay, so now these, okay. Um, this is not a part of this. This is my points. This is from my points. This is Julep Beauty makeup removers. So I got this with my points. Yay. Okay, so this is Lucky Chick premium long lasting lip liner, and I don't remember this being a part of my picks, or I don't remember it being a part of anything. So let's check these colors. Ooh, yeah. I like that right there. That is my kind of color right there. Oh, yes. Absolutely. Love it. Okay. Well, that's a good start. Good start. Good start. Good start. Okay. So next, I know this is one of my picks. It is a couple of Farrah brushes. Anytime there's brushes, I'm going to pick them. Just because, you cannot have too many brushes. All right, now next, my gosh, look at the size of this thing. This is almost like it is laughable. It's hilarious. Like that. I mean, I'm glad because I got a little one of these, and this is one of my picks. And like, I had no idea that it was going to be this big old thing, but I'm glad because it's a cleanser, and it's a good cleanser, so I'm happy with that. Next we have a bronze highlighter, and this looks a lot like something that I just got in another box. Clever, I think. I I don't think it's the same thing, but like the packaging is the only difference is, I know this is the same thing. The only difference is, well, let me get my knife. The only difference is it was black, and I don't think it was a bronzer. I think it was a highlighter. I wish that I had that sitting here right now so I could show you, because I don't think I've put that video up yet. And yeah, it's so what, BB Boo Bo Babe Beauty, BB. Okay. So, whoa. Okay. All right. So pretty. Um, that's, I mean, that's kind of light to be a bronzer. Did it not? Okay. So bronze highlighter. All right. I would almost kind of like to put it on, and so that's not, I like that a lot. Like I always say, I'm always talking about Charlotte Tilbury, but I mean, I use her highlighters and that actually the color looks kind of close. So, I'm happy with that. I'm excited about that. Okay, next we have the lemon bar. I did not really want this. I mean, okay, I don't know. I felt like it was going to smell like lemons. Um, that's not bad. Um, I mean, those colors aren't bad. So I don't know. It's the Lemon Bar Face Palette by Beauty Bakery. I've seen a lot of people get really excited about it, but I don't know. I'm not a big lemon person. So okay. So when I first looked at my box, if you've seen me get kind of a crazy look on my face, this is why. Because I was like, whoa, that is huge. And this was my beauty boost. Well, I appreciate the packaging. So it's the Natasha Denona Retro Palette. And I mean, I'm happy to get this. I love Natasha Denona. And I love to, but okay. I those are great colors. I feel like I kind of have them all, I don't know, very mauvey, and you know, you've got glitz and psychedelic and patty and Helio. And there's that nude mauve. I like that. Like, I don't know. I'm just really not happy with the pics. I'm just not. Um, with the beauty boost. So this is $33 for the box, right? And then you pay $15 for the beauty boost. If the pics were there, and if it, like, I would be much happier about this, but I mean, I don't know. I just feel like they're just not. Oh man, that, wow. I went into that and, like, I don't know if you can see, like, it. I just barely touched it, and it, like, okay. So anyway, enough with the crying about it. So you cannot say that her colors are not absolutely pigmented. Gosh almighty. That's why I really do love Natasha. Let's try the mauve, or the nude mauve is what it is. That is amazing. That's a awesome. I cannot wait to try that. So okay, I mean, I'm happy with that. I'm just not feeling it right now. I feel like a lot of people are not feeling it. Um, I let Ice Cream Beauty go because I had got their bags before, and then, like, I kind of felt like they stepped their game up a little bit, and they did, but I just feel like there's better. I'm just trying to not, like, get in this Ipsy deal where I feel like guilty for, wanting to get out of it, and so many other girls do Ipsy. And one reason that I wanted to do Ice Cream was because I felt like they were, up and coming, but I kind of felt like I was, it was kind of the same palettes and the same thing, you know what I mean? So nothing bad against them, but I don't know. All these boxes are just becoming very underwhelming. And it's like the therapy boxes and the FabFitFun and all that stuff is, you know, I don't know. I'm more into the skincare but I'm happy with my Natasha um, I just feel like there was not that much there to be paying 40 something. Yeah, I got a couple eyeliners, a highlighter, and then another highlighter, and this bad boy. I don't know, like that. I don't know. You just kind of gotta. I don't know. It seems like I always get a little agitated, and then I go back and I'm like, well, it really wasn't that bad. So I don't know. I'm just a crazy person. All right. So let's talk about the giveaway since, we are at the end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to test you guys and see. I'm going to come up with a little quiz. I thought that that would be kind of fun. Um, it's not going to be hard. I'm not going to make you watch every second of, I'm going to come up with some very simple questions about my videos. And I think that that'll be fun. You guys let me know if you're okay with that. If not, then I'll do a name and a hat again. But I thought that that was boring. So, um, in my next video, I'll touch on it a little more. We're getting ready to go on vacation. So, the giveaway will be after vacation. I don't want anybody to get their hopes up that I'm going to be doing it like right now. So I'm just going to ask a couple of few questions about, my videos, and it'll be easy. I promise. All right. So that'll be it. You guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. That way, whenever I do make a video, and if you watch, if you watch, it helps my analytics. Like, it helps put me up in the YouTube verse. So, and I appreciate you guys, all the ones that actually do watch and do comment. Like, I want you to know how much I appreciate you, and I just love you, lovelies. All right, I'll see you in the next. Bye.